West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River.
Alright, what's up guys? It's Matt Nelson here from Backyardboarding. We got Cheesy here. Just a classic Minnesota April snowstorm. It's dumping right now. We're just getting a little session. Hopefully we're gonna get school off tomorrow, but if not, we'll at least have this one session in. So we're just gonna be hitting the mini tube today. We don't have enough snow quite yet to build a big lip on our big rail. Cheesy can't even ski, he's got a snowboard, so.
That's good for me that it's a mini tube, because then I won't be so scared to try. So.
Yeah, we're gonna try to teach them a little bit of snowboarding tricks today, but overall it should be a great day. One of the last snowstorms of the year. Alright, so it's been Cheesy's first day snowboarding for a while. How's it going, Cheesy?
I learned some new things. I just like, with skiing, your angle of attack towards the rail, you can be turning into the rail, but snowboarding, you have to be going more horizontal. So I struggled with that, and now I just have to work on leaning forward and making sure that my board is at 90.
Oh, so close. Ah! Hey!
Alright guys, didn't have the best conditions ever. We had a lot of dirt coming through. Speed wasn't great, but we're just praying we get a snow day tomorrow, get some more sessions in.
Alright, pray for the day.
Pray for the day. Hey guys, it's the next morning. Got a ton of snow overnight, as you can see here. Got a snow day. All the boys are going to be coming over in a bit. I'm just going to get everything set up now, but it should be a great day.
Alright, Will's over here. How's the board treating you?
It sucks. I hate this board.
Pan to a clip of him breaking his board.
Alright, Will's board just absolutely cracked. You can see the line right here.
Alright guys, a little mechanical issue. My binding just fell off, I guess.
Fell apart.
Yeah, we lost a screw to it, so we're going to try to find some kind of alternative to put the screw back on there. We can't find it in the snow. We've looked for a while now, so yeah, gotta fix that strap.
Strap. Get the strap.
Alright, so we officially found some kind of replacement screw here. Will's screwing it in and hopefully it works. I trust the master craftsman, Will Quackenbush.
Yes sir, this is
Best in the biz.
I'm about to go home, so I'm gonna do like the riskiest move of all. Do a pond skim into our swan pond.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Let's go, Will. Get her.
Yeah!
It's just impossible to jump into a pond skim. Just figure that out. I smell really bad.
Very bad.
I'm gonna go home.
Yeah, sweet.
See ya.
It's just sleeting like crazy right now. Look at this. You can see it bouncing off of me.
Little lunch action.
Yeah.
Alright, we just finished filming up Cheesy's rider profile. That video will be coming out in a few weeks. Went good, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God! How was it?
It was easy.
Yeah.
Except for the walking back part
Yeah.
right there. That kind of didn't turn off.
Alright guys, built this pretty sketchy kicker. I'm gonna do the Descendant of the year. Try to do a 360 into the Skim. No way I'm landing it, but we'll just fall in the water. It looks pretty cool, I think. Alright guys, huge send. The thing just absolutely broke, but you know, doing it for the subs, it's worth it for the clip. It's a good time. Country roads!
Country roads, take me home.